Hey guys, it's your girl Mary here again. Today's video, I just wanted to show you guys the process of getting baby Sam's nursery together. So my husband and my father-in-law started working on the accent wall today. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the process. I'm so excited. So this here is going to be the accent wall. Primarily the rest of the walls are going to be white, but this particular one is going to be an accent color. I'm not going to tell you guys what color it's going to be because I do want to do a big reveal video. But this is going to be our accent wall here. They're applying, I don't even know what this is called, the little slack thingies to create some boxes to add some texture to the wall. And then this entire wall is going to be a different color. So I'm super excited for the finished look, and I just want to briefly show you guys different portions of the room coming together. So this is the beginning of the process. Stay tuned for the rest.
Don't hurt him, Matthew. Don't hurt him, boy.
Painted. We're about to paint the accent wall. So excited. Finally got the paint. So it's time. Baby's dad is here. About to paint. Babe, you gotta come to my video. Try not to show y'all all the extra junk in the room. Ready to paint?
I'm ready. Yes, boss.
I gotta cover my face because the paint has a smell. And don't judge my mask, it has makeup on it, so whatever.